Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Nutrition, and in that we are studying topic role of gastrointestinal hormones. Now when I say gastrointestinal hormones, we'll be studying today about gastrin, secretin, CCK, motilin, all such hormones. Hormones of gastrointestinal tract. Now the hormones that are secreted by gastrointestinal tract, today we'll be studying about them a little bit. The first hormone is gastrin. Now this hormone gastrin is basically secreted by your stomach. It's a polypeptide of 17 amino acids and it stimulates gastric acid and gastric mucus secretion. Now once gastric mucus and gastric acid simulations are secreted, further all your enzyme, whether it is carboxylase, peptidase, trypsin, pepsin, which will act on your carbohydrates, proteins, are enhanced. Second enzyme, CCK. Now CCK enzyme is basically secreted by your duodenum. Remember duodenum, jejunum, ileum? Yes, duodenum secretes it. And this basically is used to digest fat molecules or fat globules. Now it acts on the pancreas and gallbladder and help in the contraction of the gallbladder to release the bile juices into small intestine, and there the bile juices can be further down used. Next is secretin. Now if I talk about secretin, I could say that it helps to neutralize the acid in the small intestine. Where is your motilin? Now motilin has an increased activity in the gastrointestinal tract, and it's the only hormone whose function is little bit unknown till date. Role of gastrointestinal hormones. First gastrointestinal hormone is gastrin. Now gastrin is basically secreted by the stomach region. Now the stomach region of gastrin secreted is basically made up of 17 amino acids. A.8 stands for amino acids. So basically a polypeptide or protein consisting of 17 different amino acids. Now basically it does the stimulation of gastric acids, or you can say the stomach acids, and gastric mucosa is stimulated by secretion of gastrin. CCK. Now CCK is a hormone that's secreted by duodenum, and that's duodenum of the small intestine. Once that's secreted, it helps to digest the fat molecules or fat globules. It basically acts on the pancreas and the gallbladder region and help in the contraction of the gallbladder so that it can release bile juices, and this bile juices would be used in the small intestine. Secretin. The next hormone is secretin, which is secreted by the S cells. And now when secretin acts on the exocrine part of the pancreas and it stimulates the secretion of water and bicarbonate ions. Remember bicarbonate ions which were used to remove carbon dioxide to form the pancreatic juices. It also helps to neutralize the acid in small intestine. Now acid or HCl was present in the stomach region. The next hormone is gastric inhibitory peptide or GIP. Now this is secreted by the small intestine and this hormone precisely inhibits gastric secretions and motility. Students, in this part of the chapter we came across with few hormones of your gastrointestinal tract and we did study how do they function and how actually they work. I hope students we are now clear that how these gastrointestinal hormones function and work. Thank you.